In this tutorial, we are going to explain how scientists use evolutionary trees. Evolutionary trees are a method used by scientists in order to represent the relationships between a set of organisms. The tips of the tree represent different species, and where the two branches join, this represents a common ancestor for those two species. So, the new branch in the tree shows where speciation has occurred, or when a new species has evolved. For example, in this evolutionary tree, chimpanzees and bonobos share a recent common ancestor. Thus, chimpanzees are most similar to bonobos, which is more similar than they are to any other primate species. In addition, humans share a more recent common ancestor with gorillas than they do with the orangutans. This means we are more closely related to gorillas than we are to orangutans. And all these 5 primate species shown here share a common ancestor from the distant past. Now the question is, how do evolutionary trees are classified? Well, evolutionary trees are created using current classification data for living organisms, such as the DNA analysis and the structural similarities, as well as the fossil data for the extant organisms. Now let's take the evolutionary tree of the panda and the red panda. Giant pandas have a wrist thumb in order to eat the bamboo. The only other animals with the similar wrist thumb are the red pandas. So, both the red pandas and the giant pandas eat bamboo. And based on their feeding relationships, it looks that they are closely related in evolution. Now, combining the traditional observation, modern classification data based on DNA and fossil evidence, scientists have produced a rather different evolutionary tree. It seems that the two species had a common ancestor a very long time ago. But the special wrist thumb evolved separately to solve two different ecological problems.